We see this question. For the circuit given, find the current I at resonant condition. It is a series RLC circuit. For series RLC circuit, current I at resonance is given by I is equal to V by R. V is given as 24 volt and R is 0.2. So I is equal to 120 ampere. So option A is the correct answer. So option A is the right answer, 120 ampere. Next one, choose the incorrect answer related to mutual inductance. So we have to choose the incorrect one. Mutual inductance is measured in Henry. That is the correct one. So okay. And mutual inductance may appear either as positive or negative. No, mutual inductance is always positive. And the current in a coil guarantee magnetic flux in the same coil and nearly coil. It is a definition for mutual inductance. So it is also right. In mutual inductance, M12 is equal to M21. So option B is a right. That is a incorrect one. So option B is a correct answer. Next one, when a DC voltage of 100 volt is applied to a circuit having R is equal to 10 ohm and L is equal to 10 Henry connected in series, the current after 0.1 second after switching on and the time taken to reach half of the final values are. This is one good question. So what are the things given? V DC voltage 100, R 10 ohm, L 10 Henry. So current after 0.1 second, that is what they asked. So it is a RL series, right? So RL connected in series. So for RL series, I is given by I is equal to V by R 1 minus e power R by L into T. So I is equal to 10 into 1 minus e power R is 10, L is 10, so R by L is 1, 1 into T is 0.1, so e power minus 1. So if you simplify this, it is 0.96 ampere. Clear? So I is equal to 0.96 ampere. And what they ask is, what is the value, which is what is the time taken to reach half of the final value, right? So I is equal to 0.96. Out of these four, A and D are okay. So let us mark these two because both are having I is equal to 0.95. So we have to find another question. Time taken to reach half of the final value, right? Time taken to reach half of the final value. So final value is given by, what is the final value in RL circuit? We know that I is equal to V by R 1 minus e power R by L into T. Final value means T becomes infinity. So e power minus infinity is 0. So final value is I is equal to V by R. V is nothing but 10 volt, R is 10 ohm. So I is equal to 10 ampere. This is I final. Final current is 10 ampere. But what they ask is time taken to reach half of the final value. So final value is 10, half of the final value is 5. So time taken to reach half of the final value, I is equal to 5. Because this value, to reach this value, what is the time taken? So V by R is 10. 1 minus e power R is 10, L is 10. So 1 into T. So if we simplify, what we get is T is equal to 0.693 second. So out of A and D, which is having 0.693, option A. So option A is the right answer. Next question is the total impedance of the circuit shown in figure. Here RLC, they R, L only they have given. They ask only simply R. And sorry, impedance. Impedance is given by Z is equal to R plus L. Z is equal to R plus J XL. R series, because two resistors are in series. So what are those resistors? 10 ohm and 30 ohm. So 10 plus 30, 40. So out of these four, all are having 40. So we have to find XL. So XL is, they are given 2L value 20 plus 50. So 70. So what is that? XL is equal to 2 pi F. 2 pi omega. XL is equal to omega L. Omega is equal to 2 pi F. F is 100 they have given. L is 70 millihenry. 70 into 10 power minus 3. So if we simplify, what you get is 43.96. That is what your XL. So what is the answer? 40 plus 43.96. I think it is closer. So 43.98 is the correct answer. So option A is the right answer. Next one, choose the wrong statement. In the nodal analysis, the choice of a reference node does not. Right? So the reference node should be having no effect on the circuit. This should be the correct. It should not change the voltage across any element, and it should not alter the potential difference across the pair of nodes. So what is the only wrong option? It will affect the voltages of various nodes. No, it should not affect. So it is the correct answer. Right? So it is a wrong statement. Right? So the choice of reference voltage does not affect the voltage of various nodes. No, it will affect the voltages of various nodes. Right? I hope you understand all the questions very clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. I will clarify all your doubts. Thank you.